G'day, mate. Let me tell you about a little something we Aussies hold near and dear to our hearts, the meat pie. It's not just food, it's a part of our identity, a staple at every gathering, and a must-have at sporting events. This ain't your grandma's chicken pot pie, no sir. It's a whole different ballgame. This is a culinary masterpiece wrapped in golden pastry, a symbol of Aussie culture as iconic as kangaroos and the outback. It's a bite of Australia in every mouthful. Now you might be thinking, a meat pie? What's so special about that? How can something so simple be so beloved? Well, my friend, you're in for a treat. The magic lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. The Aussie meat pie is more than just a snack. It's an experience, a delicious journey into the heart of Australian cuisine. It's comfort food at its finest, perfect for any occasion. It's a story told in every flaky bite, a testament to our love for hearty, flavorful food. Each pie is a little piece of our heritage, shared and enjoyed by all. So sit back, grab yourself a napkin, you'll need it, and get ready to discover why Australia's meat pie is without a doubt the best snack you'll ever have. It's not just food, it's a tradition, a celebration of our way of life. The meat pie, like many great Aussie traditions, has its roots in humble beginnings. It's a story of resilience and adaptation, much like the people who first enjoyed them. Picture this: dusty goldfields, sweltering heat, and hungry miners looking for a decent feed. These were tough times, and the miners needed something that was not only filling, but also easy to carry and eat on the go. Enter the meat pie, a portable, filling meal that could withstand even the harshest Aussie conditions. It was the perfect solution for these hardworking men, providing sustenance and a taste of comfort amidst their grueling work. Early versions were simple affairs, rough pastry filled with whatever meat was available. These pies were a testament to the ingenuity of the bakers who made do with what they had. But over time, the humble pie evolved. As communities grew and resources became more accessible, so did the variety and quality of the pies. Recipes were passed down, techniques refined, and the fillings became more elaborate. From simple meat fillings to more complex and flavorful combinations, the meat pie began to reflect the diverse culinary influences of Australia. Soon, bakeries dedicated to this savory delight began popping up all over the country. These establishments became community hubs where people gathered to enjoy a warm, hearty meal. The meat pie had found its home in the heart and stomachs of Australians. It became more than just a meal. It was a symbol of Australian culture and tradition, enjoyed by families and friends across generations. Now let's talk about the good stuff, the taste. The moment you take that first bite, you're in for a treat. Imagine sinking your teeth into a crisp golden pastry. The outer layer is perfectly baked, giving it that irresistible crunch. It cracks with a satisfying crunch, giving way to a steaming hot filling of minced meat, slow cooked to perfection in a rich gravy. The steam rises, carrying with it the tantalizing aroma of spices and herbs. The flavors are incredible, savory, slightly peppery, with just a hint of sweetness. Each bite is a burst of complex flavors that complement each other beautifully. It's a symphony of taste that dances on your tongue. The balance of flavors is so well crafted that it feels like a culinary masterpiece. And the texture? Oh, the texture! The flaky pastry melts in your mouth, contrasting beautifully with the tender meat and the smooth, velvety gravy. It's a delightful play of textures that keeps you coming back for more. But the best part, it's the perfect blank canvas for customization. You can make it your own with a variety of toppings and sauces. Some like it simple, with a dash of tomato sauce. That's ketchup to you, mate. The tanginess of the sauce adds a new dimension to the flavor. Others prefer it with a dollop of mashed potatoes and a sprinkle of grated cheese. The creamy potatoes and the sharpness of the cheese create a comforting, hearty combination. No matter how you like it, one thing's for sure: the Aussie meat pie is a flavor explosion waiting to happen. It's a culinary experience that captures the essence of comfort food, making it a beloved staple for many. The meat pie is more than just a tasty treat in Australia. It's woven into the fabric of our culture. It's the go-to snack at footy games, a staple at school lunches, and a welcome sight at any bakery or milk bar across the country. We even have competitions dedicated to finding the best meat pie in the land. Bakers battle it out, showcasing their culinary prowess with innovative flavors and fillings. There's even a saying here, as Australian as a meat pie. And it's true. This humble pastry represents our laid-back attitude, our love for simple pleasures, and our unwavering passion for delicious food. So, why is the Australian meat pie the best snack you'll ever have? It's more than just the taste, though that certainly plays a big part. It's the history, the culture, the sheer Aussie-ness of it all. Every bite is a reminder of where we come from, our love for good food and good company. It's a taste of home, whether you're at the Footy, on a road trip through the outback, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon snack. The meat pie is a culinary icon that has stood the test of time, a testament to the enduring appeal of simple, hearty food done right. So next time you're feeling peckish, I urge you, give the Aussie meat pie a try. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, add your favorite toppings, and savor every mouthful. You might just discover your new favorite snack. Who knows? You might even find yourself saying, "Good on ya, mate," with a mouthful of meat pie and a smile on your face. You'd be surprised how catching that Aussie spirit can be.